Complete setup. Cordia 2. I had the Cordia rod rests and the butt rest, and the new update is the Cordia tray, and attached with the umbrella. I'm just making a change from using the pods, the rod pods. So I turned my chair into a method feeder. So there you go. And the fishing reel has got a built-in alarm. So that's new to me. So this is the new update, and the title will be called Cordia 2, because I've got the Cordia tray. Very impressed with the umbrella. Well chuffed. The green wooden thing is to replace on top the Cordia tray, so I can put my cooker on there. Very pleased with it though. Shame I can't get a bite on my new reel. To give you an example, if I do, if I just pull it, you can hear it. But there you go. Have fun. Let's hope it'll do. And we're at the Warmwell holiday camp again. So let's see how we get on.